Hello, this is Rena with LYLO Crafts coming on today with a different kind of video. I have 10 different Happy Mail packaging ideas and about 30 plus examples to show you of how to use them. So first I'll start off with these. And so I purchased these sweet little things from the Dollar Tree, these little packets of hearts. I think they are so cute. So these are little candies, but they could be, anything that you want to put in here, like a little bit of sequins or, some flattened bellies. And so what I did was I just took paper and I cut a long strip and then I punched the heart out of the paper. I glued the edges and then I just tucked that little thing in there. I put some twine on the top. I've got a little heart and then I added a flower to that. And so you can see what I did was I used the opposite. So these hearts are cut from this pink paper and these gold hearts are cut from this paper. And so I thought that was so sweet. And then I just added like a little something in the middle of those flowers. So if you've got little flowers laying around that you've made, again, this is my year of trying to use my stash. And so I had these little flowers that I had made, and so I wanted to use them. And this is a sweet rolled flower that someone shared with me. So, and Gina gave me this paper. So anyway, that is my first packaging idea. Okay, next, how many of you have big doilies that, like I have bought these doilies from the Dollar Tree in a pack before, and they come with multiple sizes, and I never know what to do with these large ones. So what I did was I used them, one doily, you can make 4 of these, to fill my bags as the backing for these sweet embellishments. And all these embellishments that I'm showing, most of them I have shared on my channel. So I shared these ticket ones as well as these cupcake topper ones. And then what I did was I just put a little bit of sequins, or in these ones, I put a little bit of these balls. So any of you have these leftover ones from Christmas, or you have some extra sequins, or you haven't been using your sequins in a while, this is the perfect way to go ahead and package these sweet embellishments. So you can see these are my hearts with tickets, my layered hearts. This was another ticket heart that I shared. So fun. So that is the next one, okay? And so now next, I was 100% inspired by Pink Strawberries on these. She showed that you can use, your punch, and then all you have to do is literally attach it with a separate piece of paper on the back. And then I just folded mine over to make my flap. I used some of this really fun love ribbon that I have. And then I offset these, this is the heart that I clearly punched out of here. And then I used a scrap of my glitter paper for that. For this one, I just flipped that paper over and used what I got out of here. And this one, you can see I combined 2 different kinds of papers. So these are all paper scraps, so just use whatever you have. I made this sequin mix. I added these little silver hearts into a mix that was already done. And so I put that. Then my next packaging idea is to add a little spoon with it. And so these are spoons that are just appetizer spoons, and you can use your crocodile to punch in the corner and then add these sweet little dangles. So I made all these different little dangles. This is a little gumdrop. And then these are some beads over here, and this one's the same, but this one has 2 small beads on the top. So I love the way these turned out. I think they're so cute and so fun. So there's that. And then I had this idea to use little flowers. So again, if you've got these little flowers made, you can go ahead and use them. This one didn't have a center, so I just added a little bow. to these, and I filled these up to send these on out in Happy Mail. And then another idea I had was on using hearts in the corner. So this is a heart that I hauled from Hobby Lobby a while ago, and I added a little bit of that same trim and some flowers. And then this one is a heart that I punched out, but Stace shared these little paper clips with me, and I thought, how cute is that to add to this? And these, I just put a little bit of flower sequins in these. So I thought those were really sweet. And then, oh, and here's another one of the ones that I used, these paper clips that Stace gave me. And so if you, on this one, it's actually a paper clip. So if you have any paper clips that you want to use for packaging, that is a really great way to use it. And then I had said that I would want to use some of these little arrows. And so, so these are the arrows that I made on my channel, and then so I added these to these little bag toppers, and I love the way those little arrows turned out. So I think that is a cute packaging idea. And then this one combines a heart and an arrow in it, so very sweet. Then I've got this one, which if you have any, I had one bow that I had cut out that I had not put together. So I just glued my little bow together, and then I added one of these little butterflies and added some little, what do you call them? What are those called? Jemmies to it. So I thought that was a sweet little packaging topper. Then I used this little arrow up here to put with this sweet little shaker that I made a while ago, and I thought I would share that with someone. Okay, and then next are these. I'm like, have so many here to show. These are these little strips. I am gonna show these on Embellish With Us Wednesdays, but these are little strips of paper, and then I made like this little ribbon rosette. I added my sweet little girls, or these hearts. This one has the ticket that says love and a sweet heart little Jemmy, and this one right here is a white ribbon again with one of those little hearts that I made a while ago, and I thought these made the perfect bag toppers for these sweet things. That these I did buy. So I did spend a little money. So I did buy these from Michael's this year. So I got those, and then let's see here. Then if they are just beautiful enough, you know, they're just like this, just pretty enough where they don't need anything else. You really don't need a bag topper. These already have ribbons in them, so all I did was just add a little bit of sequins to them. And these are some other embellishments that people shared with me that are just gorgeous. And then lastly, I do want to remind you that I have a video for this on how to make this sweet little a Valentine's Day wallet, and then you can put your sweet little embellishments right on in here. It holds so much. So let me put 1, 2, 3. I'll just have to wiggle that around, but look at that. They all fit inside this really sweet embellishment wallet. So I will hook this at the end of the video if you want to check out how to make this. So easy and so fun, and you can use this for any occasion or any reason why you would want to send somebody Happy Mail. So thank you so much. I hope maybe you found some inspiration for your Happy Mail packaging ideas, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.